carpet cleaning day. Yay! Okay, super cool corner protectors. First time I've seen that. Here's our happy cleaning man.
Thanks.
We love seeing you. I love seeing these little snazzy doodads. I just need these permanently in my house. Excited. Okay, once again, corner protectors. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Cute little goodies. I love goodies, especially when they're chocolate. Little thank you bar. So yeah, it looks like they do residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, upholstery, air duct, dryer vent, emergency flood service, smoke and odor restoration, and mold remediation. My fridge could probably use some of that.